We're back now on the morning show. It's Wise Guy Wednesday. I'm a little nervous because we're going to make some explosive noise. We've warned everyone in the building. Matt Sellen, physics professor and Wise Guy, is here to explain what we're doing next.
This is way too much fun. Okay, so if you notice these balloons right now, the orange one, which was the loud one, and it will be this time too, is lower than the other.
In my opinion, it looks like the helium's just coming out of it.
Right.
You know,
well, they
the
both
balloon's
have,
just, but it's not helium, right?
It's hydrogen, which is the stuff that burns. This one has less hydrogen in it because it also has oxygen in it, so it's less buoyant. That's why it's a little bit lower like this. And hydrogen is a very tiny molecule, so some of it's leaked out overnight, so that's why these things are a little bit saggy.
It's able to get through the, whatever this is, plastic, rubber,
right,
whatever.
It's a very tiny molecule, so it can seep out. So if you left it for too many days, it would just all be gone.
You're bullying your hydrogen and making it drop more.
That's okay. So Einstein actually came up with this whole thing, as did an Australian physicist named Sutherland, who doesn't get much credit for this, in 1905. And what they discovered was, if you think about the molecules in air, they're about this far apart. If they were the size of my fist, they're not real far apart.
Okay.
And so the average, though, if you just let them diffuse, if you let them go wherever they want, kind of randomly, the distance that they've gone at any given time goes like the square root of the time. So it takes a long time because they bump into each other for molecules of gas to get from one place to another. And you know this, if you have some perfume on and you walk into a room, it takes a while for people on the other side of the room to smell you.
Sure.
So there's a lot of bumping and jostling, and that's what these guys studied. It's also called Brownian motion.
Okay.
So anyways, I'm going to blow these up, and then I want to make a few comments about next week.
This is the quiet one. This is the loud one.
Right. So I'm going to just put this one down a little bit out of the way.
I'm going to move out of the way so I don't get some
so
sort
we'll
of
do this again. The first one is the one where there's this hydrogen and no oxygen.
Am I far enough away?
I think you'll be okay. Okay, so here's the first one. So that was a big poof and you saw the flame, right? And this next one,
here comes the big bang, right?
This is the one that's going to be a bit louder because this one has the oxygen already in it. It does not have to diffuse in. And so this one will be a little louder. I'm going to stand about here and I'll blow this one up. Holy crap.
I could feel it.
So anyways, so that was pretty good. And
can you say that? Anyway, I could feel the blast for sure.
So what I want to mention real quick before we leave, there's I just want to put a plug in for a hurricane benefit that we're doing on Friday night at Grace Lutheran Church at 7 p.m.
Okay.
So
and this is all part of what we just saw here, though. Part of a bigger part of things that you teach in your lab.
Oh, I love teaching this stuff, and there's going to be a talk all about Einstein by a very smart guy on Saturday morning at the physics department, so people should come and see that too.
You're a very busy guy. Lots coming up.
And next week we're doing golf.
And that one actually smelled a little bit. What was the smell there? Can you tell me? It's not perfume in there.
No, I think it was
Wise Guy?
No, I was going to make a smart aleck comment.
Oh, well, thank you for not.
All right. So, but I think it was when oxygen and hydrogen burn, you get water, and so maybe there's a little water vapor. Maybe that's what you smelled.
All right. Well, we love it. Thanks so much, Matt. It's very fun. A few questions for the Wise Guy and ideas for what you'd like to see here on The Morning Show. Send them in to us. The Morning Show.